Ito mga idol, magugulat talaga kayo dito. Yung tropa mong gugulatin ka dahil ang ganda ng boses. Kumanta lang naman siya ng I Love You by Celine Dion mga idol. Grabe! Ang galing! Talagang ma-miss kayo dito mga idol. Tara, panoorin natin. Let's go mga idol. Dito kay Eugene Enriquez, courtesy. Ayan na.
Ayoko nang muna limited.
Hala, grabe. Shit.
Maybe I'm too much. I love to feel your love.
Wow.
To whisper in your ear words that are always not. Words so heavy, they fall in your mind. I wish I could get back to the very first day.
Oh my God. Wala na. Grabe. Halimaw ka, kuya.
Kahit anong bata yun ang video okay.
This courage inside, just walk right on to your door. But my body can't move, and my body can't reach. Sometimes I'm tired before. Every down the world had me a letter. When I always find the way to your heart, it said I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change my life forever. And I'm running, and we'll always be together till the end of time. Maybe I'm here to love.
Grabe.
And maybe I'm here to tell. And maybe all you need is myself to hold you. You can do just reach out and I'll be there.
Grabe.
Please say you love me too. Please
Grabe naman mga idol. Courtesy by Eugene Enriquez. Halimaw sa galing mga idol. First time ko tong mapakinggan mga idol na isang lalaki, no? Nag-cover song po ng kumanta ng I Love You by Celine Dion. Grabe, ang galing, no? 8 million lang naman ang kanyang views mga idol. Grabe ang lupit, no? Dito kay Edsel Covers mga idol. Pero ang kumanta dito mga idol, itong si Eugene Enriquez. Ang lupit, grabe! Na-miss ba kayo mga idol? Please comment down below mga idol kung na-miss ba kayo sa kanilang performance, sa kanyang rendition mga idol. Grabe, supportahan po natin itong si Eugene Enriquez mga idol. Grabe, amazing. Kung i-rate ko po ang performance mga idol, nasa mga 9 mga idol. Amazing. Wala ko masabi kundi amazing. Pakishare na lang ng video mga idol kung na-miss rin kayo. Hanggang dito lang mga idol. Maraming salamat. Yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy. Halimaw talaga sa kantahan. God bless mga idol.
I tried so